Hello everyone, today I will discuss about how to validate your startup idea. So if you have any startup idea and if you are looking for solution like this is a right solution or not, then this video is for you. So keep watching this video till the end. I will tell you about how to validate your startup idea and what are the things you need to take care. Hi, I am Abhishek Tripathi. I am a founder of Volker and Mentor Plus. I am also an IDX consultant at IBM. So here are the 5 things you need to take care to validate your startup idea. First thing is so before telling into the 5 things, I will tell you about what idea consists of. So basically ideas consist of 2 things. First thing is problem and second thing is solution, right? So now coming to the 5 things you need to take care while validating your idea and how you can validate your idea. So first thing is problem should be popular. Okay, so if problem is not popular and his problem is like केवल कुछ ही लोगों के लिए है वो समस्या, तो don't try to solve that problem. So problem should be very big and popular. And second thing is it should be growing, right? So problem ऐसी नहीं होनी चाहिए कि today it's for 10 lakh people and next year it will be for like 5 lakh people. Okay, it should not be in a decreasing phase, it should be in a increasing phase. Like today its problem is for 10 lakh people, it must be increasing for at least 20% per annum. Okay, and third thing is problems should be expensive. Okay, so the current problem which solution is available in market, it should be expensive, so people will choose your solution if it will be a cheaper from the current solution. And the fourth thing is it should be mandatory, right? So problem ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि हाँ ना भी सॉल्व किया तो चलेगा, ठीक है, ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम आप उठा के सॉल्व करने लगे, that is not very mandatory to solve. Okay, and the fifth thing is, and very important for startups to make a business, that is the problem should be very frequent, right? ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ आज प्रॉब्लम आई तो अब लाइफ में कभी वैसी प्रॉब्लम आएगी ही नहीं. Don't pick that problem, just try to pick a problem that is very frequent, like आज आई है तो it will appear in a coming week or coming month at least, not more than that. It should be like if it's a on daily basis problem, then it's a perfect problem to solve. So here are the 5 things. First thing is it should be popular. Second thing is it should be growing. Third thing is problem or solution, current solution is very expensive, you are coming with a cheaper solution. And the fourth thing is it should be mandatory. And fifth and the last thing is it should be solution or problem should be very frequent. Okay, yeah, so if you will take care about these 5 things, then yeah, it's the right problem to solve and it's the right idea. You got the right idea and you can start with that idea. Yeah, so if you like this quick video and a quick concept about how to validate your startup idea, and if you are looking for such videos, so you can subscribe this channel and give a thumbs up to this video and comment down your startup idea that you are looking for. I will try to basically validate that idea by these 5 tricks. Thank you so much.